Your gut affects more than digestion. It impacts your mood, energy, and overall health. Here's how to get it right. Alright, here's a quick reality check. First up, what is gut health anyway? Think of your gut as a bustling city, home to trillions of bacteria, good guys and some not so good guys. This is your gut microbiome. When it's balanced, you get smooth digestion, higher energy, a better mood. But when things are off, so, how do you keep your gut in top shape? Start with food. Load your plate with fiber-rich fruits and veggies, berries, apples, broccoli, spinach. Add in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. These pack in probiotics, the friendly bacteria your gut loves. What should you cut back on? Processed foods, sugary snacks, artificial additives. These can throw your gut out of balance and mess with your digestion. Let's talk daily gut health tips. Hydrate. Water keeps everything moving. Eat balanced meals, fiber, protein, healthy fats. Slow down and chew your food. Mindful eating gives your gut a break. And don't forget lifestyle. Stress can really mess with your gut, so try deep breathing and a short walk. Prioritize sleep. Your gut repairs itself overnight. Even gentle exercise like stretching, yoga can help keep things in sync. Ready for a quick recap? Fill your plate with gut-friendly foods. Stay hydrated. Eat mindfully. Manage stress. Get enough sleep. Your gut will thank you with better energy, happier moods. Start nurturing your gut today for better digestion, energy, and well-being. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.